Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Brazil 66 courtesy of David. Thank you, David, for using the buy the back bar feature and helping me purchase this bottle of Leblon Cachaça. I haven't had Cachaça on the bar for a very long time. I've made a Caipirinha a long time ago, which I'll link to right here. It's one of my really old cringy videos, so make sure you don't check it out. I'll be recreating that. I'm pretty sure it's one of those videos that I've done so long ago. It's only got a few thousand views and it really deserves a lot more people to watch it, so I'll recreate it. But for today, onto the Brazil 66, thanks to David. This one here is essentially like a orange Caipirinha, but without the muddling of the limes. So I'm going to start off with 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of your preferred Cachaça. So it's a Brazilian sugarcane spirit. And then your triple sec. I didn't actually have a triple sec. Well, this is an orange liqueur, cognac based, Grand Marnier. So you can use Cointreau, triple sec, Grand Marnier if you like to. It's completely up to you. 15 ml, half an ounce. And then follow that with fresh orange juice. 15 ml, half an ounce. And likewise with the fresh lime juice. Same measurement, 15 ml, half an ounce. Before adding 10 ml, 1/3 of an ounce of simple syrup. I didn't have any white sugar left, so this is just raw sugar. And generally this is not as sweet as the white sugar, I find, so you can adjust accordingly, but 10 ml, 1/3 of an ounce is the recipe for just a plain 1:1 simple syrup. Add ice to your cocktail shaker and then give it a good shake for 12 seconds and you're good to go. Then fill your double old fashioned glass with ice and strain over the top. Garnish with a lime wheel, and there you have the Brazil 66. Cheers. I haven't had a Capriosca or a Caipirinha for quite some time, at least 6 months, and this is awesome. Like, I love the orange notes that's added to that otherwise really limey drink. Kind of softens it, balances it out, adds a little bit of, not dilution, but it's just a sweeter version. It's not so tart in comparison to a Caipirinha. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.